Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making a very refreshing drink, Ocean Breeze. For this here I have taken 4 tablespoons of lemon drink mix, half teaspoon of blue color, 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar syrup, juice of 1 large lemon and chilled water. I am using 4 cups, but this is as required. Now in the blender I will add all the ingredients. There is my blender. First of all I am adding lemon drink mix. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Blue color. Lemon juice. Sugar syrup. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will add in water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will blend all these together. Very refreshing and scrumptious Ocean Breeze is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.